Hold on, let me turn this on. Hi guys, we're back with another video. Today we're gonna do Minecraft. See the blue blockers. Okay, now do Minecraft. We're gonna play Murder Mystery. No, Bedwars. It's Bedwars, way more easy. I have like this new recording app. Oh my god. I'm gonna play one round of this. 2 rounds of these. Because it says I'm only allowed to have the video 15 minutes long, so. Alright, so. See my name? You see my name? See my name? Right there, it's got Team Craner. No one from Slugman's channel better not be watching. See, like in the other, here, want me to move my setup? Like, okay, is that better, or do you want to go, or do you guys want me to have it on the other side? Almost. So you guys can't see that side. Okay, let's just, back to game. Okay. I like this. Hello? I turned down the volume. I don't like the song. I'll probably have to have it on. Let's play music. Oh no. I gotta play a song, sorry. Sorry, I don't like the music. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and like button. Like if you want me to do like. For the live stream, I actually want to. Hold on. Sorry. Build. Okay. Let's go ahead and go to right here. Don't make that. You guys are running like, why are you not doing this to the other side? Because I suck. I suck at loading, so my fault. Excuse me. Okay, let's just. Okay, let me go ahead and head to the diamonds. Let me go ahead and upgrade our like forge. I just started to play this game and probably it's better to have my camera right here. Yeah, cause back to game. I'm gonna head to the, what do you call it, and get diamonds. I'm gonna have to upgrade our forge. The heck? Okay, I have blocks. I have wood. Let's go ahead and go right here. Okay, let's go. Seven diamonds. Ooh, let's go ahead and up a lot of things. I'm not gonna upgrade my forge yet. I might have to record a second part after this. It's just like, no. I'll do it for about like 15 minutes. Oh, I think you guys can hear me. Yeah, okay, let's do it. I got some diamonds. So let me go ahead and upgrade a lot of things. Like, first thing, team upgrades. Like, ooh. Don't look behind me. Ooh. Iron Forge, Miner, Dragon Buff, Healing Pool, just in case if someone is like low and they can't, like, they're really low. Oh, I don't have enough. Now let's get it. Buy a trap just in case. Let's do Mining Forge. Gotta do more. Alarm trap. Oh, darn it, I should have done it. It got you blind. Then after that, I'm about to go get the other diamonds. First, put my diamond right here. And probably go to the, oh my god. I'm doing the smart strategy. Okay, let me, let me go ahead and put that in there. Let me go ahead and run to the iron. Oh, I forgot to upgrade. I think I might go after red real quick. No, let's leave them. First, let me get a lot of good armor, because I don't have that much good. First, got that. Get this. Darn it. Or I should get the water bucket and just have it, like, just in case on top of. Let's tell their time. Where did my partner go? What the heck? Hey. He's mean. He took my... I don't like you. Or no, Q's dropping. W's walking. Gotta get the diamond. Hey, it's my diamonds. Hey, it's my diamonds. Ugly. But I'm a YouTuber. Since he took my diamonds, I'm not, I quit. Run. Run. I gotta get the TNT. We're just showing everybody's bed already. Okay, let me go back over here. I might stop this and just play it by myself off camera, probably. And probably make an excuse me. Can't believe it's showing my face. I'm gonna stop the video at 12. No, 13. I hate you. I hate him back there. I hate him. Look at the guy that was behind me. I hate him. Got wooden and stone on my bed. Sharpness swords. Ooh, sharpness. Let me go over here. Oh my god, no. I gotta sit here. Almost cut into. No, let's just sit here. I gotta get 8. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna buy TNT. And I'm just gonna explode their thing and just run. I forgot this is not Roblox. I keep pressing the other button. You know how on Roblox, when you're playing on a computer, you have to press this exact. Oh. You have to press a button to like move it. Like it's thing. I gotta get a stone sword. 3 gold for a golden pickaxe. I think that's a bad deal. I got 2 diamonds and plus I got some iron and I got some TNT. I know what I'm gonna do. I should just get a lot of TNT and just blow their base. Or I should. That guy keeps like exploding people's. Hey guys, keep pressure. What? That's what he said. Oh my god, look at their bed. Their bed is made out of wool. You guys dare me? You guys dare me? I'm gonna go to real quick. I gotta die with this emerald. Let's go to a different base real quick. Let's go to red real quick. I need to go to red. Oh. Brush me. Okay, let me hurry up. I might have to end the video right here. Okay, I'm gonna have to end it. Bye, guys. No. See you guys in the next video. Bye.